Once you've downloaded FL Studio, the installation process is straightforward. As you can see on the screen now, the installer guides you through the steps seamlessly. Since I already have FL Studio installed, I won't go through the installation process again. Instead, let's dive straight into exploring the interface. Alright, let's quickly fire up FL Studio, and you'll notice that the initialization process is impressively fast. Taking a look at the interface, one of the exciting updates in FL Studio 21 is the introduction of various skins and customization options. Unlike earlier versions, now you have the flexibility to personalize the look and feel according to your preferences. It adds a cool and customizable touch to the FL Studio experience, making it even more user-friendly. Cool, right? See you in next tutorial.